everybody. How is everyone doing today? Great! We're so excited that you're ready to join us. Let's get started. Macy, can you help us? Yes, I can. Grab the basket. Thank you. It's a brown egg! Yes, it's a brown egg. Let's shake it. I'm pretty sure there's something inside. Can you help us open it? Oh, yes. Jeez, that's a tough one. It's the letter J. The letter J sounds like this. J, 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 J. Can you help us? J, 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 J. Very good. Are you ready to try? J, J, J. Great job. Let's check out our last egg in the basket. Oh, it's red. You're right, it's a red egg. Let's open it up. Thank you, Macy. It's the letter H. The letter H sounds like this. Can you try? Very good. That's the letter H. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.